SPS pH-neutral soap is designed to offer you versatility while simplifying your arsenal. This highly concentrated formula gives you the option to use the soap as a rinseless wash, waterless wash, traditional hand washing soap, or even in a foam cannon. All you need to do is dilute the formula accordingly. Our unique blend of lubricants and surfactants work together to safely remove dirt, debris, pollen, and other contamination. It will not remove waxes, sealants, or degrade protective coatings. This formula will create a barrier between the surface while encapsulating dirt to avoid the risk of scratching or damaging the surface. SPS pH-neutral soap is scent-free and biodegradable, which makes it an environmentally conscious choice to clean your vehicle. You can order direct from surfaceprotectivesolutions.com.